In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a site or widget with Wix Editor. Start by opening your Wix Editor and going to the exact page where you want the external content to appear. It is important to begin on the correct page so you can place the embedded content in the right section of your site and see how it fits into your layout as you work. Once you are on that page, look to the left side vertical toolbar and click the Add Elements button marked with a plus sign. This opens the panel where Wix keeps design features, layout tools, and interactive elements you can add to your page. From that menu, find Embed Code. You can either hover over it or click it to open the available embedding options. This section is where Wix lets you insert content from outside sources, including custom widgets and other web-based elements. Next, choose Embed HTML from the popular Embed section. As soon as you click it, Wix will place an empty gray container box onto your page canvas. This box acts as the placeholder for the site or widget you are about to insert. You can move it later and resize it to better match the design of your page, but first you will want to connect it to your code. Now click the empty container box that appeared on the page. After selecting it, click the Enter Code button shown directly above the box. This opens the HTML settings panel, which is where you will paste the code for your embedded content. When the settings panel opens, make sure the toggle stays set to code. This option allows you to paste the actual embed snippet, which may include HTML, CSS, or JavaScript provided by the third-party service you are using. Copy that code from your provider and paste it directly into the large text field in Wix. Be careful to paste the full snippet exactly as provided so the widget can load correctly. After the code is in place, click Apply. Wix will then process the code and connect it to the container on your page. From there, you can preview the result and make sure the embedded content displays as expected within your site design. That covers everything you need to know.